Hi guys, Mark here, junglelifeherbs.com, and today we're going to be bringing you blueberry, strawberry, and pomegranate sauce for your waffles. Now, it's going to be a powerful sauce. We're having blueberries, we have strawberries, we have the superfood pomegranate. When you eat this sauce on your pancake, your waffle, your biscuit, your toast, you're going to have a super day. You just can't beat that. There's just no way. So, we grow strawberries, blueberries, and pomegranates on the farm. And I can tell you, if you want to start a garden and have things very simple, definitely grow some strawberries. They hold up better when you grow them, and the quality is so much better than the ones in the store. So if you want to start a small garden, definitely grow some strawberries. So here Nita Filipina is putting the strawberries and the blueberries together, and she's going to cut up the strawberries in small pieces, because what you want to have happen is when you put the strawberries in and you apply heat in the mixture, the cellulose from the strawberry is going to thicken the mix so that it will sit nicely when you put it on your biscuits or your waffles or your toast. It'll have a nice body to it. So she's going to cut up the strawberries really nice. Oh, look how pretty that is already. That looks like a super meal. Here she's adding some cinnamon, and then she's going to be adding some allspice and some cloves. Now those spices not only cause the mix to taste really good, but they're very strong in medicinal value, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antioxidants just loaded all over the place. So when you eat this is going to be something that will help your day go a whole lot better. So next we're going to be adding some of the juice from the pomegranate. Now remember, they said the pomegranate is the superfood, so you're not missing out on anything here. You have all the elements that's going to give you something that is definitely going to be so beneficial to your body that your cells are going to jump for joy. All right, so we're using 100% pomegranate juice here, not the stuff in the store that's on the shelf that they're saying that's 100%. This is 100%. And if you need to find out how to get the nuts out of or the seeds rather, out of the pomegranate, we have a video on our channel for that, so check that out. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to simmer this for a few minutes on a low heat so that we can get the juices and the flavors from the spices to combine. And in the meantime, while we're doing that, ladies, at junglelifeherbs.com we have a product called Libido Gold. And if you suffer from any female sexual dysfunction, please try it out. Whether it's female hormonal imbalance, vaginal dryness, chronic fatigue, hot flashes, low libido, low sex drive, you definitely want to try out Libido Gold, because we have had many women use it now and they are very happy with the results. And I'm pretty sure that if you're having any of these issues, you want to be happy also. So check out Libido Gold at junglelifeherbs.com. Now, let's get back to our sauce. So, if you could just smell how good this is right now. It is just amazing. The cloves and the cinnamon and the allspice. Because strawberries and pomegranate and blueberries are not very pungent. They don't have very strong smells, but the rest of the spices do. So she's added a little salt, because sometimes just to get those flavors to gel together, you definitely need a little help. So a little salt is going to just bring those flavors together and make them pop. Now let me hear what she has to say about that. Now she says it's a little tart. So because it's a little tart, then what we're going to do is we're going to add a sweetener. And in this situation, we're using maple syrup. Now if you're diabetic or you're sensitive to sweetness, then definitely try maple syrup because it's not starch based. And because it's not starch based, it will not spike your blood sugar level the same way that many of the other sweeteners will. So a lot of people don't know that this is a characteristic that will really help them, especially if they like things to have a little sweetness. Definitely use 100% maple syrup. So what she's saying now? She says it's perfect. So the only thing left for us to do now is to add this formula to the other piece of the formula, which is going to be the spelt flour waffle. And we use spelt flour instead of wheat, rice, or corn because it is alkaline, and at the same time it doesn't cause bloating and constipation like some of the aforementioned. So definitely use spelt flour whenever you get the chance instead of wheat, corn, or rice. If you're sensitive or you're having issues when you eat those foods, spelt flour will be a better alternative, and we advise that and we use it all the time. Now look how pretty, and I mean look how powerful that sauce looks already. Man, I mean, if you could just smell how good it is. So when you make this, you are going to notice that it just smells up your kitchen. It smells so good. You're gonna smell like you live in a bakery. This stuff smells so good. And I mean, I know it's gonna taste good. But I tell you what, Nita Filipina, I gotta ask you, please, put some more fruits on that for me because I want some more strawberries. I want some more blueberries. I want some more yum, yum, yum. So give that to me, please, because I want to get as much of that super meal inside my body.
Now that looks yummy.
Oh my goodness, if you could just smell how good this is. JungleLifeHerbs.com.